Adobe XD is usually updated every single month, at least that was the case since the launch of this product. So you can always check out the latest updates by going to adobe.com/products/xd/features, and inside of this page you can see whenever the update is launched, as well as what it contains inside of that particular update. Now sometimes updates are huge, like this one was in November of 2019. Again, whenever you're watching this video, more and more updates will come until that point. And you can see sometimes they are launching smaller updates. Usually they're keeping the best stuff for November of each year, because that's where their Adobe Max event is held, and inside of that event they're trying to project what the future will look like for their products, for their brands, and in this case for Adobe XD. And that's when they are trying to include as much new features as possible, and especially as many new and useful features as possible, because they have this thing called user voice, and inside of user voice, users of Adobe XD can suggest a feature, whether it's a design or prototyping feature, and they will work on it if it has enough upvotes. So that's where we got this co-editing, for example, and we have hover triggers, for example, because it was highly requested feature on user voice, and you can always jump inside user voice and simply make your voice be heard, and you can put your own opinion up front and suggest the ideas. You can always upload screenshots, you can always upload your particular designs about how you wish the software will evolve in the future. You can also jump inside the community and find a UI kit which the creators of Adobe XD have created, and you can use that UI kit to design your own features, and you can always send them that and then suggest your changes or the features you would like to see in the future to be included inside Adobe XD. Now, to download any of these updates, you can always jump back to your Creative Cloud app, and it will prompt you with this update button. You can simply click on it, it will install the update, and then you can open XD and you will have the latest update installed. I will always recommend that you update XD as you work, as you go along, and sometimes if you skip a month or two because you're not working for some reason or you work in some other software, you can always jump back and update it, and it will update to the latest version. Updates are really quick, they are really small, and they're really easy to install. As I said, you can just simply click one button and that's basically it. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.